The following program is brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children in cooperation with Matseso Formula, an all-Filipino initiative in order to provide easy and free access of Filipino children in learning mathematics. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell in order to receive updates from our group. You can join our Facebook group and search for Matseso Formula. See you there. Let's start with the 15-second questions. Question number 1. Marco has 750 pesos. He wants to buy 2 shirts. One costs 440 pesos, while the other costs 520 pesos. How much more money does he need to buy these shirts? The answer is 210 pesos. Question number 2. The difference of these two numbers is 2,500. If the smaller number is 3,500, what is the larger number? The answer is 6,000. Question number 3. In a fun run activity, Melody ran 25 minutes. Oman ran 8 minutes longer than Melody did. What is the total number of minutes spent by Melody and Oman? The answer is 58 minutes. Question number 4. The first 4 terms of a sequence are 1, 3, 6, 10. What is the 7th term? The answer is 28. Question number 5. Mr. Legaspi earned 9,500 pesos last month. He spent 2,775 on food and 3,300 on other things. How much money was left to him? The answer is 3,425 pesos. Number 6. Maymay made 117 crisp banana rolls. She gave away 12 rolls and sold the rest at 5 pesos each. How much money did she earn? The answer is 525 pesos. Question number 7. How much money is in your wallet if it contains 1 50 peso bill, 1 20 peso bill, 3 10 peso coins, 1 5 peso coin, 3 1 peso coins? The answer is 108 pesos. Number 8. A water tank, when 3/5 full, contains 9 pails of liquid. If each pail has a capacity of 7 liters, how many liters of liquid can the water tank hold? Answer is 105 liters. Question number 9. Imagine a square array of 16 dots with 4 rows and 4 columns. If you use 196 dots to form a square array, how many rows and columns are there? The answer is 14 rows and 14 columns. Question number 10. Sheena reads 12 pages of a book a day. After reading each day for 9 days, she still has 38 pages to read. How many pages were there in the book? The answer is 146 pages. Question number 11. A microwave oven costs 5,470. An oven toaster is 3,250 cheaper than the microwave oven. Mrs. Amorsolo bought both the microwave oven and the oven toaster. How much did she pay? The answer is 7,690 pesos. Now we go to the 30-second questions. Question number 1. A box with 6 same books weighs 8,000 grams. The box alone weighs 509 grams. Find the weight of each book in kilograms. The answer is 1.25 kilograms. Question number 2. J has less than 100 dalandan. If he evenly groups them into 10, he will have 8 dalandan left. If evenly groups them into 7, he will have only 1 dalandan left. How many dalandans does J have? The answer is 78. Number 3. Romeo weighs 27 kilograms. His younger brother weighs 10 kilograms less. Their father's weight is 2 times their total weight. What is their father's weight? The answer is 88 kilograms. Question number 4. A watermelon is 5 times as heavy as melon. If the melon weighs 420 grams, find the weight of the watermelon in kilograms. The answer is 2.1 kilograms. Question number 5. The length of a rectangular field is 63 meters and its width is 26 meters. Maya ran around the field 3 times. How far did she run? The answer is 534 meters. Question number 6. What is the sum of the first 50 whole numbers? The answer is 1,275. Here are the 1-minute questions. Number 1. Selena bought some pencils for 195 pesos. If the cost per pencil would be reduced by 3 pesos, she would have 5 more pencils by paying 5 pesos more. How much did Selena pay for each pencil? The answer, 13 pesos. 2. The table shows the number of kilograms of apples sold in 1 week in a particular fruit store. What is the average of kilograms sold by the owner per day in this particular week? The answer is 35.71 kilograms. Number 3. In a figure, all edges meet at right angles. Find the perimeter. The answer is 40 meters. Question number 4. A rectangle and a square have the same perimeter. If the length of the rectangle is 3, more than twice its width, what is the area of the rectangle? The answer is 27 square meters. Number 5. A rectangular garden measures 21 meters by 15 meters. A wooden path, which is 2 meters wide, is built around it. What is the area of the path? The area is 160 square meters. Number 6. Burnham Park records the number of persons car who enter the park. Yesterday, 57 cars had 4 persons. 61 cars had 2 persons. 9 cars had 1 person. And 5 cars had 5 persons. What is the average number of persons per car yesterday? Round your answer to the nearest person. The answer is 3. Now, to the clincher round. Number 1. There are 36 ducks in a poultry farm. There are 6 times as many chickens as ducks. How many more chickens are there than ducks? The answer is 180. Number 2. Sharon took her pulse rate for 5 seconds and counted for 6 beats. What is Sharon's pulse rate in beats per minute? The answer is 72 beats per minute. Question number 3. Paolo goes to the music studio every 4th day, while Miranda's routine is to go every 3rd day. Today is Saturday, and both Paolo and Miranda are at the music studio. The answer is Thursday. We have reached Do or Die. A tour bus picks up a group of tourists at a hotel. The bus travels 2 blocks north, 2 blocks east, 1 block south, 2 blocks east, and block south. How far is the bus from the hotel? The answer is 4 blocks. Congratulations! This ends our review. This project is brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children in cooperation with the people behind the Matseso formula. Congratulations! Tandaan, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe and hit the notification bell upang mabigyan tayo ng mga latest update ng aming channel. Upang lalo tayo humusay sa matematika, mag-join lang sa Facebook group called Matseso Formula. Dito natin matutunghayan ang mga sikreto at success stories ng ating mga Pinoy mathematicians. See you there!